firefly one. In these lonely nights, I still hear your voice calling somewhere in the dark. The wind still carries the fragrance you left behind, leaving me with the same poison scar inside. Sleepless nights, we used to run together along the fields beneath the sky. In the gentle touch of the misty forest air, all our dreams were flying through the silence we shared. Beneath the trees we'd sit for counting stars and naming flowers. Never once did I imagine you would disappear this way. You walked away, but your fragrance never fades. Even when the fireflies vanish, your memory remains. You walked away, yet every road still speaks your name, and every your face again. From you, but I stood there like a statue with nothing left to hold on to. So many words died within my chest, so many melodies were lost before they lived. The poems that I wrote for you lie buried deep inside, locked away forever where forgotten feelings hide. You walked away, but your name refused to go. with you. Your name remains even when the fireflies vanish. Your memory remains. You still burn alive in the center of my heart. You still live on. In every song I write, you walked away, but your name